H&H, I am a structural designer, so I worked on designing bridge components such as superstructure, substructure. I also worked on tow gantries. I decided to work at H&H after going to the website before my interview and seeing the variety of projects that we worked on, such as movable bridges, kinetic structures like the shed, and retractable roofs on stadiums. My interview with H&H was very informative. I remember coming in not knowing much about the job itself, so I had the opportunity to talk with some of the guys that work here and have a better feel of what they do. In my first few years, I got to see myself grow as a professional. They took us to New York, we met the CEO, we went to the headquarters of the company. I got to see a lot more people, met with my mentors. I got to also see the depth in the company, just hanging around all these great professionals. They teaching me how to become a better engineer. As far as clients, we work with different DOTs, we work with different municipalities, private companies, and different transportation authorities. What I love about my job is I get to do what I saw myself doing when I decided to be an engineer. I get to use everything that I used in college. As far as intellect and just growing up, just wanted to be an engineer. I get to work on bridges and designing roads. I just see myself doing what I wanted to do as a kid. An ideal coworker is someone who's eager to learn and willing to do the work to make sure we put out quality products, but also somebody who's sociable, because overall you spend a lot of time in the office working with other people. So it's good to be able to connect to these people on a more personal level. So an ideal coworker is somebody that you can hang out with in and out of the office. A typical day for me is coming in the office, knowing what my task is for the day, and working to meet those deadlines that I have set both for myself and for the projects that I'm working on. And I get to hang out with people from different disciplines at lunch, and we share ideas. Based on my career goals, I can see myself being a project manager in the future with H&H. There's so many different opportunities for new engineers coming in the team, from project managers to technical managers to CEI. There's a lot of opportunities based on your career goals. What makes me excited about coming to work every day is that I feel established in a team and my work is valued even as a new engineer. Something fun about the office is we get together at least once a month for different activities, whether it's to play football, to play bingo, going out, and happy hour, having ice cream together. It just feels like these activities bring the team together and make us all feel like we're part of something bigger than just engineering. What makes H&H different than other firms is how personable the leaders are. As a young engineer, curious engineer, you always have somebody that can teach you new things and is always willing to go over your obstacles with you. And another thing that makes H&H really different is the mentorship program, where you get matched with leaders and people that have walked the same path that you are to help you get better as an individual and as an engineer. If I could describe H&H in one word, I think I would say family, because it always feels like you can come to anybody at any time, and if you ever need help, they'll be there and they have your back.